In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add wishlist in Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process using the Wishlist Plus app so your customers can save and revisit products they love. By the end, you'll have a polished wishlist that matches your brand and works seamlessly across your store. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard and heading to the Shopify App Store. Search for Wishlist Plus, click Install, and authorize the app. Once it's installed, you'll be redirected to the Wishlist Plus dashboard inside your Shopify admin, which is where you'll manage everything going forward. Next, let's set up the look and feel. Wishlist Plus will automatically scan your store to detect your brand colors. You can accept the suggested palette if it matches your style, or customize your own colors to line up perfectly with your logo, buttons, and typography. This helps the wishlist blend in naturally with your storefront rather than looking like an add-on. Now choose your store settings. Select your store category in your current Shopify theme. Based on these preferences, Wishlist Plus will generate a recommended setup. This gives you a solid starting point that typically works well with your theme's layout and common customer journeys. From there, click Customize to fine-tune how the wishlist appears. Adjust the wishlist icon style if you prefer a heart, a bookmark, or another look. Set where the button shows up on product and collection pages, and decide whether to display social proof counts, which show how many shoppers have wishlisted an item. You can tweak the layout design and choose the launch point position so the wish list opens from the corner or slides in, depending on your theme's flow. Keep adjusting until everything feels on brand and intuitive. When you're happy, click Save and Continue. You'll be taken to the Shopify theme editor to preview the wish list across your product pages, collection pages, and even the cart page. Make sure buttons are visible, text is readable, and the interactions feel smooth. When it looks right, click Save in the theme editor to publish those changes. Head back to the Wishlist Plus dashboard and review the setup summary. If anything seems off, reopen the customization settings to fine-tune colors, placements, or styles. Next, continue to plan selection. Choose the plan that fits your store's size and needs. Many merchants start on a starter plan and upgrade as traffic grows. Most plans include a free trial, so confirm your choice to activate it. Once activated, your wishlist goes live. Customers can save favorite products, add items from their wishlist to the cart, and access wishlist buttons on product and collection pages. The end result is a fully functional wishlist that improves customer experience, encourages repeat visits, helps shoppers save products for later, and increases your conversion opportunities. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.